So now that we have our buttons, let's actually make them do something. So we'll work on the start and exit, I think, to start. So when we click the start, we want it to disable this, and we want it to run all that other stuff. So right now it's just doing that on awake. So let's change that in here. So we'll do start game. So we'll just write this function here. And whenever we click the start button, it'll do this. So the first thing we want to do is spawn planets. So let's grab that and move it up here. And we don't want this to run unless we've already clicked that button. So let's just make a boolean to determine whether or not the game's running or not. And I think I'll call this isActive. So that lets us know if the game's active or not. Whoops. And that's a bool, not a void. Okay. So we're going to spawn planets, and then we want this stuff to run. So we're going to say isActive equals true. So we'll set that boolean to true, and then we'll make it so this stuff only runs if that's true. So each frame it's going to say isActive true. If it is, do this stuff. If not, just hold on. Just review this really quick. So we got planet spawning, active's true, so now all our update functions will work. So let's just hook that up and see if it's working. It's just loading here. There we go. Actually just going to move the event system right onto our solar system. That way, no matter what button is active or not active, it's always going to be in the scene. Okay, so back down to our start. So let's add a event. So we want to grab that solar system, because that has all our scripts. Then we can choose which function we want to run. So we're going to run start game. Okay, so let's try that. Save our scene. And actually we want this to be removed first. So let's disable this whole panel once you start the game. So we're going to need an object for that. We'll just call it lobby window. Okay, and then we are going to disable that. So lobby window, set active to false. Should be good. So now we'll just make that reference. Okay, so we're dragging our lobby in there. Let's try play. Yeah, let's get rid of the maximize for now. I want to anchor those UI elements later too. Okay, so as you can see, there's no planets in here. Click start. Boom. So it spawns all our planets, stuff starts moving, and the lobby is disabled, which is what we want.